Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to jump right into the video. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer, as you probably know by now, and I'm going to use that to prime my face. I'm not going to fast forward a lot of things in this video, just so that you can see actually how long it takes to blend everything and how long it takes to do a makeup look like this. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation in the shade 110 Porcelain, and I'm going to blend that into my face. As you can see, it's a pretty good foundation. It covers what needs to be covered, and it's also not that expensive. It's actually quite cheap for a good foundation. To contour my face, I'm going to use the Ella Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Almond. I'm going to put that on my cheeks. I'm also going to dot on my forehead and on my nose. I'm using a flat brush to blend in that contour. I'm so excited for spring. I'm so glad it's warm outside and I can wear dresses again and put on myself tan and not be so freaking damn ass white anymore. For concealer, I'm going in as usual with the Ella Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. It's really a very good concealer, and it's like 60 Rand at Dis-Chem, so it's very inexpensive and it does a good job. I would like to use other concealers on camera, but I do not have other concealers at the moment. Until I get some, this is what I'm gonna use. I'm putting that concealer under my eyes, on my eyelids, on my forehead, down my nose, on my chin, to highlight and brighten up areas. Now I'm using a damp beauty blender and I'm going to blend in that concealer. going in with the Airspun translucent powder and I'm going to set that under eye area. I'm going to use the Rimmel foundation powder in the shade Transparent to set the rest of my face. I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to use the color Silk Cream to use as my transition shade. If you guys were wondering, I did my eyebrows off camera because I feel that is actually quite a bit boring to watch. Then I'm going in with the color Creamsicle from the same Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to put that in my crease. Going in with the color Hunt and I'm going to put that in my outer corner and blend that through on my eye just to give more definition to the eye look. Remember, the key is to always blend as much as possible so that you don't have any harsh lines. And I'm going in with the Morphe 350S palette and I'm going to use that beautiful orangey shade and I'm going to put that on my lids. Then I'm going back in with the color Hunts from the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to blow that out on my lower lash line just to define the eyes and to make it look like a warm smoky eye. Then I'm going in with the color in Light to highlight my brow bone. going back in with the Morphe 350S palette, and I'm going to use that lighter orange peachy shade to highlight the inner corners of my eye. Now I'm using the Morphe gel eyeliner in the color Slate to blacken my waterline, my lower waterline. I'm going in with a flat surface, and I'm going to put in on the Wet n Wild waterproof eyeliner. I'm going to just use that to mark where my lines needs to be, so that it can make it easier for me to draw on my eyeliner. Like in my previous video, I'm using the Avon Mark mascara to mascara my eyelashes. No, I got mascara on my eye. I'm going to use the Avon bronzer that I no, they don't make any more, or I'm pretty sure they don't, but it's so damn beautiful. I couldn't help myself. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, the yellow shade, to brighten up my areas, so that the bronzing that I just did don't take up the entire face, that there are still some parts that are a little bit highlighted and brightened. With that same Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, I'm using the middle shade to contour my nose. Blush, I'm using the Essence Wake Up Spring Blush in the color Hello Sunshine. I'm going to use that Airspun powder again and a damp beauty blender, and I'm going to put the powder underneath that contour to make it a little bit more neat and natural looking, so that the line isn't that harsh. While I leave that powder on to bake a little bit, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter. I'm going to use the beauty sponge again because it just makes the highlighter go on as natural as possible. Now I'm going to use a fluffy brush to wipe out that that powder that was baking on my face. For lipstick, I'm going to use the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in the color Mango Mango. To set my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay Setting Spray, Makeup Locking Spray to lock in all of that orange goodness. This is the final result. This was a very fun makeup tutorial to do. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.